Mahadeva Temple, Tambadi Surla, is a 12th century Shaivite temple dedicated to Lord Shiva and an active place of Hindu worship. It is the only structural temple of the Kadamba period to survive the destructive violence of religious intolerance during Muslim and Portuguese occupations of Goan territory. The temple is built in the Kadamba style from basalt, carried across the mountains from the Deccan Plateau and carved by craftsmen. It is considered to be the only specimen of Kadamba architecture in basalt stone preserved and available in Goa. The temple survived invasions and the Goa Inquisition due to its remote location in a clearing deep in the forest at the foot of the Western Ghats which surround the site. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is reminiscent of the temples at Aihole in neighboring Karnataka. There is a linga mounted on a pedestal inside the inner sanctum, and local legend has it that a huge king cobra is in permanent residence in the dimly lit interior. The temple consists of Garbhagriha, Antarala, and a pillared Nandi Mandapa built of basalt. The four pillars, embellished with intricate carvings of elephants and chains, support a stone ceiling decorated with finely carved Ashtokan lotus flowers. The intricate carvings created by skilled craftsmen adorn the interior and the sides of the building. Bas-relief figures of Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu and Lord Brahma with their respective consorts appear on panels at the sides of the temple. Unusually, the mandap is covered with a roof of plain grey sloping slabs. The temple faces east so that the first rays of the rising sun shine on the deity. There is a small mandap and the inner sanctum is surmounted by a three-tiered tower whose top is incomplete or has been dismantled sometime in the distant past. There is a headless Nandi in the center of the mandap surrounded by four matching columns. The symbol of the Kadamba kingdom, an elephant trampling a horse, is carved on the base of one of the columns. The river Ragado flows nearby and is reachable for ritual bathing by a flight of stone steps. The festival of Mahashivratri is celebrated with pomp and gaiety at the temple by local people residing in surrounding villages. The temple is built in a place which is quite inaccessible and away from the main settlements of the time. The temple is small compared to the average Goan temple. Om Namah Shivaya.